Good morning, guys. Welcome to Think Troops. Today, we're gonna learn about Salesforce. So, why do we need to use Salesforce? What is Salesforce? What is the platform that it provides? What are the services that it provides? And let's compare it with the other legacy systems currently what we have. So, let's dive in. So, what is Salesforce? So, Salesforce allows businesses to use cloud technology to better connect with customers or partners or any potential customers. The software has become the number one for customer service and helps businesses track customer activity and market to customers and so on and so forth. Salesforce is basically the world's number one customer relationship management platform. The application provides us with sales, services, marketing, and it doesn't even require any IT experts to set up and manage. We just have to simply log in and start connecting to customers in like whole new way. And why do we need to use Salesforce? So these are like the five best uh, value that the Salesforce is providing us. First one, innovation. So Salesforce provides us with like groundbreaking innovation technologies or apps in its own out of the box platform. It provides us with AI. It provides us with analytics. It actually is a mobile first CRM. We can run the whole business from your own phone, and it has been ranked by IDC for almost 4 years and running. And the second one is platform. So Salesforce provides us with a single, secure, and scalable platform that's easy to customize and upgrade without even breaking anything in the code. Third one, productivity. Let's say you have some experienced employees, and if you wanna, sell faster or get more things done, then Salesforce gives us with Lightning platform, which allows us with our productivity. And talking about mobility, as I told you before, Salesforce provides us with a single mobile app, where you can just you'll get access to your whole business from your own mobile. So your employees can be anywhere in the world, but still have access to the whole thing. And the community, Salesforce have like huge 2.3 million people working on the same thing, who are like the most passionate communities that we have in comparing to any other platform. Now let's compare it with our regular legacy platform that we have. So as you can see in the above image, Salesforce provides you with the fastest path from idea to app. You can concentrate on building your app using Salesforce tools rather than building the infrastructure and tools yourself. This can save you like years of time and millions of dollars. Salesforce customers generally say that it's unique for mainly three reasons. First one, fast and easy and effective. Why is it fast? So traditional CRM software can take more than a year to develop and deploy. Compare that to months or even weeks with Salesforce. And why is it easy? Salesforce wins in the easy to use category hands down. You can spend more time putting it to use and less time figuring out what it is. And why is it effective? Because it is easy to use and can be customized to meet business needs. Customers find Salesforce very effective. Salesforce is the cloud, so your team can use it from anywhere with the access of internet. If you are a business that is rapidly changing, or you are a seasoned company that's been around for years, your business is probably changing too. Salesforce is completely scalable to your growth. Salesforce seamlessly integrates with the third-party applications. If you want to integrate Salesforce with Gmail, you can do it. If you want to integrate your um, with your accounting software, let's say, you can do that too. On the other hand, integration is tough with other CRMs. Let's say if you have a legacy system of SAP or a database or something like that, you can use integration tools that Salesforce provide. Recently, Salesforce acquired MuleSoft. It's an integration tool as well, Solid's tool. You can use that as well to integrate with the system. And Salesforce is affordable. especially if you consider its vast variety of capabilities. Even startups and small businesses can use Salesforce. So let's look at services provided by Salesforce. So Salesforce provides Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is a CRM platform that enables you to manage your organization's sales, marketing, and customer support. If your company is engaged in B2B or B2C, I mean business to business or business to customer, then Sales Cloud is the service your sales team needs. The second one is Service Cloud. Service Cloud is a service platform for your organization's customer service and support team. It provides features like case tracking, social networking platform plugin for like conversation or analytics. This not only helps your agents to solve customer problems faster, but also gives the customer access to these answers. Using these answers, your customers can solve problems on their own. And the third one is Marketing Cloud. The Marketing Cloud provides you with one of the world's most powerful digital marketing platform. The marketers in your organization can use it to manage customer journey, email, mobile, social media, or web personalization, or content creation, or content management, and data analytics. The fourth one is Community Cloud. So let's say if you need a social platform for your organization to connect and facilitate communications among your employees or partners or customers, then Salesforce Community Cloud is a service you need. You can use this platform to exchange data and images in real time. So these are like the basic stuff about Salesforce just to start with. And this ends our session. Thanks a lot. Please do support this channel and please do subscribe.